Where's the best place to spend the 4th of July?
Dale Hollow Lake, obviously.
I was just gonna say the lake, but yeah, Dale Hollow, let's go! We're at Bucky's house. Yeah. Here, what's your must-have from Bucky's?
Anything sour. Their sour candy is the best.
Now, does getting sour food, candy like that, say something about a person? Like, are you just like sour? You know?
I would say in this instance, it probably does apply. Chili cheese. Oh yeah.
Morning run complete. Justice, you are not lying. Those hills are no joke. Woo! That was hard. 4th of July is my absolute favorite holiday. Yes, it beats Christmas because it's warm, but we're spending it this year, Dale Hollow Lake. Excited to show you guys what it's all about.
When it comes out, and then you put a little bit of each in it for ice, and then you pour Sprite Zero over it, and it sounded really good.
What are you doing?
Making blue and red slushies, according to Levi. Red and blue Gatorade has ice. Am I gonna nap? And then Coke or Sprite Zero over top.
Okay. We'll have to check back in.
Okay. No pressure.
He's a man of the people.
You're going to be an actor or a politician? But you're going to go places with that watch, man. That's all I know. Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Is there anyone you want to say hi to?
Yeah.
Who?
That.
Is that how it looks in the video?
Nope.
Yeah.
Close.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
That's what. And funny enough, it stems from like this dark image of Christ in my faith, and it's just sparked something so new in me. It's been 11 years, about 11 years since.
I feel like that's your face for everything. Is it actually good or not?
It is. I mean, I think it needs to be like mixed a little more.
Like out of 10.
6.
Wow. That doesn't sound very good.
Well, I just said it needs to be mixed more.
Danielle, what's your favorite 4th of July tradition?
I like fireworks.
Fireworks.
Especially on the water. When it gets dark, it's like right at sunset, so we get to watch the sunset, and then all the fireworks start going off. Fireworks or hot dog, you know?
Or both.
Or both. Eating a hot dog while watching the fireworks. Wow. I mean, come on.
Dominique, you didn't find me. You didn't find me. Dominique found me.
No, you get a good one after this. When I put the cheese slice on it. That's gonna be money, dude.
The money shot?
You ever seen that guy?
No. I don't think I have.
The Cajun guy?
Nope. Is he a good guy?
I don't know. I've never met him.
Would you be friends with him? Like if you did meet him?
He drinks natural light and likes to cook, so there's a chance. Oh, I'm one short for the gram.
Sorry, I don't want cheese.
I knew what I was doing. Do it for the vine. Oh, what was that?
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I came to play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. Then I double up again under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted.